Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Sophia Miranda, and I'm a life coach here in North Carolina. Today I just wanted to do a quick story on the law of navigation and what does that look like for our lives in the midst of a pandemic and dealing with everything else that we're dealing with. Well, it all starts with navigation. As leaders, whether you're leading a household, a church, a corporation, or what have you, you all have to navigate. So when leaders think about navigation, what we think about is having the whole trip in our head before ever leaving the dock, having a vision of success before we ever take those steps, knowing who our team players are going to be in our lives in order to ensure that we are successful. Now, we do all that by what I like to call planning ahead. So I use the acronyms plan ahead in order to keep that in mind. So I start with P. So it's basically a predetermined course of action. I'm preparing for my travel in this journey called life. Then I lay out my goals in front of me. And how I do that as a coach, I do that through a vision board, something that I can physically see every single day. Once I've done that, I've adjusted, or I start to adjust my goals. So if I have something on there, let's say hypothetically I want to get married, but I'm not dating yet. I have to adjust my goals and make the priorities that need to be in place in order to accomplish marriage at some point. The next is I'm going to notify my key personnel or my key people in my life that are going to help me on this journey. After that, I'm going to allow time to accept the fact that I'm going on this journey. It's no different than if you were driving to Florida and it's a 10-hour drive. You have to accept the fact that you're going to have a 10-hour drive. You have to accept the fact that you're going to make stops and etc. Then you're going to head into action. You're going to actually take that journey that you've been planning for. You're going to expect problems because failures happen no matter what we do. You're going to embrace those failures and you're going to get back up and you're going to remember that it's just a bump in the road. That's all it is. When you do that, you want to always keep your head in the game and you want to always point to success no matter how many times you fall. And lastly is that you're going to review your plan on the daily, okay? So just remember those things when you think about what does it mean to plan ahead. Those are your acronyms for it, okay? And just know the secret to navigation is preparation.